Hey feds, here's a great question about Social Security. And someone wanted to know, if I take Social Security at 62, am I locked in that price with never an increase? The answer is yes and no. So let me explain. There are two types of increases. One increase happens when you turn 62 but don't take your Social Security. Every month the amount increases up until the point where you do take it. And when you do take it, you're locked in that price, whatever the price that is. Now, I'll say locked in because even then, each year you'll get a COLA, cost of living adjustment, and it'll go up. Now, the amount that you get of an increase if you turn 62 and don't take it is far greater than if you do take it and take the COLA. The COLA is just a little bit, and the amount that increases before you take it is a lot more. So yes, it does stop increasing in that first amount, but there is still a COLA, so it does increase a little bit. And that's why, again, it's so, some of these answers that we get asked aren't just a simple yes or no. It's a little bit more complicated than it really seems. And we have to do a little bit more planning to make sure, are you getting all the money that you deserve? And I'll tell you, with Social Security, you want to make sure you're getting everything that you deserve.